4 na Pinoy boxers bumida sa Thailand. Lahat panalo at knockout pa. Isang napakagandang balita nga po para sa ating mga Pinoy boxing fans. Ito po ay dahil na mayagpag ang lakas ng boksingerong Pinoy sa bansang Thailand. Bumida ang ating mga matitibay na pambato kung saan 4 na Pinoy boxers ang dumayo sa nasabing bansa at lahat itong nagtagumpay sa kani-kanilang mga laban. Nauna na dito ang bagitong undefeated prospect na si AJ Pasiones. Matagumpay na nadepensahan ni Pasiones ang kanyang WBA Asia Junior Flyweight belt kontra sa pambato ng China na si Xiang Li. Tinalo niyo po ito via lopsided unanimous decision. Kaya naman rumangkada na ngayon ang kanyang napakalinis na kartada sa 10 wins with 5 knockouts at walang talo. Habang si Raymart Soledad naman ay tinapos agad ang kanyang laban matapos niyang talunin via first round knockout ang Thai fighter na Nahathuch Singh Manasak Jim. Dahil dito ay may record na si Soledad ngayon na 4 na panalo na 2 knockout at walang talo.
Into the first 20 seconds, and like we've said before, Nahathuch just had to weather that storm, I felt, but it puts him onto the canvas as we try and take him out early.
And again, he looks for that body, cracking body.
Bukod dyan, ay hindi din po nagpahuli ang isa pa nating kababayan na si Raymond Yanong. Dahil nagpakitang gilas din ito sa pamamagitan ng pagtalo sa Thai fighter na si Kampi Fayom via ikalawang round knockout. Dahilan kung bakit nasungkit niya ang bakanting Asian Boxing Federation Junior Welterweight belt.
He takes your best shot and just fires at you at all cylinders. He doesn't care if you have
To escape, he's just looking to survive. Try move away from these shots.
He will need the referee to kind of help him in this situation, because we see him teeing off. You can hear people shouting to call this fight off, and that is...
Habang si Elmar Zamora naman ay tinalo rin via second round knockout ang isa pang pambato ng Thailand na si Wisitsak Saiwayo. Kaya naman umabati na din ang kanyang napakalinis na record ngayon ni Zamora sa Siam na panalo na 7 knockout at walang talo.
Very old school boxing style, very 70s-esque boxing style, but he's just right now with body shots by Zamora, and Zamora has now found that weakness, going to shots. Those ribs must be cracking under this pressure right now.
Will he make the count here? And the referee waves it off. Brilliant work there from Zamora.
And Widisak must have withstood so many shots, and then Widisak to the canvas. I mean, what a perfect combination.